Got a beautiful day out. It didn't rain. Well, you know what? Let me not say that. It is what it is for the day today. But now it's not raining. I'm about to do something. I'm not trying to jinx nothing. Let's get to it. All right, gang. All you'll be needing for an oil change on 2018 Honda Accord EX. You'll be needing, of course, oil filters. That's what I got. Some regular one, STP, I guess it's alright. But I also need a 17 mil for the drain plug. You're gonna need your oil, of course. I go with 020 full synthetic. Don't go with nothing less than synthetic or synthetic blend. Not for these cars. I go with full synthetic because it just runs better, in my opinion. And also, some filter pliers. You can pick this up at your local parts store. Easy. Let's get to it. So check me out. I'm gonna pop the hood open. We're gonna get this thing started. So yeah, I know this already comes with the whopping 6.2 liter. I'm playing. This is a 1.8 turbo. See, dirty under here. Pull this oil cap off. That's what you want to do at the beginning of any oil change, because you drain out the oil, you can't take off the oil cap just like this. Jesus. I don't know why. This damn vacuum on this, bro. I don't want y'all to be thinking I'm some bitch or something, like I can't get this shit off. There we go. Yeah, I ain't no bitch. Never. But nah, take the cap off. Look. You can check for other little things if you ever want to. I'll go ahead and check the air filter. It's easy. It's literally, what is it? There's 2 clips and just pull straight on out. Got a clip right here, clip down there. Watch. Oh damn, look at this. Look at this filter, bro. Look at it. This, I need a new one. This ain't no good, or in my opinion. I'm losing a lot of power out of this because these turbo motors just eat air. They love air. So you start restricting the airflow on the turbo motor, you're not gonna get no power out of it, or you're gonna start losing power out of it. That's a simple one, and then another clip back. Hold on, if I can get it. Jesus, there we go. All right, and I need water fluid. I got that coolant. I do a little shake test. If I can shake and I can see it at the fill line or the line down below, y'all can see it. I'm good. Yeah. Everything else is good. It's 2018, man. I mean, I just did the brakes not too long ago. I should have put more fluid in there. I didn't. I should have. I needed to, but I'll wait till next time to do that. I just did the rear brakes on these, and I should have added fluid to it, but I forgot. But it's all good. I got fluid in there, and that's all that matters. Hey, one more thing I completely forgot about. Y'all gonna need an oil bucket. Please get an oil bucket. Don't be that guy that think that you can take a gallon jug to your damn drain plug and just fill it up. Please don't. Oh, Jesus. All right, I gotta do something about that. What I do? See if I can show you. I'm just gonna pop this loose. Be careful with this. Alright, yeah, last time I was doing this, man, it was seized up on here. I had waited too long to do my oil change. That's why I'm trying to just do this real quick. Let's see if I can put the phone down, man. I don't know if y'all can see, but broke it loose. Move my phone out the way. I don't want to go viral because I got oil all over my phone. I'm just gonna do a little spin with it. That's it. Let that start draining, and then we're gonna take that drain plug. Hey y'all, for that damn band wrench, look, if y'all know how to use it, put it right over the oil for your new filter. Make sure it fits first off, and then all you're gonna do is push away. So the motion I'm doing is this, to close it onto it, all right? Once you have it tightened on there, and then you can literally go left. It's actually made to go left, but if you want to go right, I'm pretty sure you just do that and yeah, you tighten with a band wrench. But I do not recommend tightening no oil filter now. Just don't tighten. Hold on, wrong way. This with this. Nah, hand. Use your hand. I'm talking about no damn heat, man. Don't put no damn Jesus grip on that motherfucker either, man. Just tighten it down, hand tight, man. Let it be good, snug, flush. But I'm gonna show y'all the rest of it. Make sure that everything's tight on there with the oil filter in just a second. Once I get this off, cause we about to attack that drain plug. But I just like popping off the oil filter first. That's just me. That's how I roll. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Got a little oil spill. It's all good. I'm cleaning up properly. Hopefully OSHA don't get me. All right, y'all. We gonna try to hurry this up because look, you see, Georgia ain't, man, like Georgia ain't worth shit, bro. Georgia ain't worth a damn. Something come out for 40 seconds, 45 seconds. Already look like about to rain, so we about to speed this up, man. Hold on. We about to go on the hyperdrive. Stay with me now. Ooh, have mercy. Okay. So for the drain plug, it's easy. This is 17. Honda is 17. I just pop it just like that. Oh, hold on. I gotta do it one more time. There we go. It's loose. I don't like doing He-Man grip on my shit, man. I like to be able to take my drain plug off if I need to, if I have to. I ain't got nothing to prove with this car. I don't got nothing to prove to Honda. So I don't be doing all that. Well, lukewarm. But look at that. Look how dirty it is. I should have had the car running. Should have had it running. I like to get my oil when it's hot, boy. Real hot. A lot of people out there saying that you're not supposed to drain your oil when it's hot. It's a lie. Get everything out faster. Meantime, what I can do, speed up this oil change so faster. I'm gonna clean off this plate for this damn this oil filter, the base plate or whatever you want to call it. Clean off the skid plate first, and then it's gonna be something up here. First off, you want to clean it because you want to make sure ain't no oil ring gaskets on here. Because if you double gasket oil filter, try to put it back on here, the engine will blow up or your leak oil filter. So just letting y'all know. So I'm gonna wipe off this completely clean. Let y'all see. Hopefully y'all can see. Man, I don't know if y'all can see. But I wiped it off completely clean, man. You know? And then it's starting to dribble a little bit. I'm gonna let it run completely out. And then I'm gonna add oil. For the oil filter, you do not have to prime it. Put oil around the gasket so you can ensure that you'll have a easy come off next time. Alright. Oh, dang. Oops. Hold on. Stupid fuck. This stupid plate. Alright. Alright. Yep, got it on there. Alright. I feel like show y'all another video, show y'all how to do the transmission on this next time. Be sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bring my towel here. Try to get a better grip. If I can't do that, I'm gonna use the band wrench. Just like I said earlier though, I'm not gonna be He-Man it. I'm just gonna do this. Do it hand tight, that's it. Oh man, gotta learn which way I gotta do this now. Let's see, righty, tighty, lefty. Let's see. Alright, that's right. Yeah, I know y'all, I'm bad. Plus, I'm holding the camera trying to do an oil change for y'all, man. Like, come on, y'all. You gotta love me, man. Alright, should be tight on there. I'm gonna try it with my hand in just a second. There you go. Went back with the rag. I bent this thing down, man. I'll bend it back. Well, worry about it later. But I tightened it back down with the rag. It's good now. See, bend it back. Oh, that paper plate shit.
bullshit. That's what it is. I don't even know what you're trying to protect, Honda. Oh, they're trying to protect their damn pockets, because I bet you this little thing right there costs about $80. Watch. So what we're gonna do, put the drain plug back. Let's see, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Am I going the right way? Yeah. Good. Yeah, it's going in. Tighten it back with a hand. Yeah, I'm gonna add the oil. All right, y'all, so now I got the drain plug on there. I had a hand tight, so now I'm gonna go back to it. I'm just gonna tighten it with the ratchet now. See? It's good, see? Car was shaking, it's tight. That's all you need. All right, y'all, I had to wipe off my face, but damn, look at that, bro. See? It's crazy. We gotta go ahead and add this oil in, man, and then it's just gonna be eat, boy. All right. I want y'all to hurry up. Come on. Come on, Bass. Come on. Put a comment down below and say, go, Bass. Okay, hands on caps, tight. Dipsticks in, whatever. Oh, damn, hold on, what up? All right, there we go. All right. We about to fire it up, man. We gotta fire it up. Oh, I gotta lock the door first. Come on. Come on. Whew. Nah, I can't run full speed, man. I'm wearing flip-flops, man. I'm slick for that. All right, let's fire it up, man. All right. Sounds fine. Seems like it's running normal. Sounds a lot cleaner now. Oh, let me see if I'll give y'all a little noise real quick. See if y'all can hear that. All right, now we're gonna go underneath. Check. No drip, no dribbles, no nothing. All right, now pull up to the stove. Towards motor level. And do a final oil up check. That's right. I wonder if y'all can hear the turbo blow off noise. It's pretty loud to be a stock. All of this is stock. Everything completely stock. Well, you can flex, pull up to the car meets. Like, yeah, bro, I got a boosted Accord, bro. You gonna go, fool? You want me to go? This nigga taking his sweet time. I don't even think he paying attention. Jesus. It's like everybody and their mama, man. Everybody like that. Trying to make it up to the store and just come back. That's it. Damn. Just to let y'all know, man, Sonata is like a terrible car to have this year. What this dude got in front of me. Bad electrical problems. I guarantee almost every Sonata I've seen has some type of electrical issue within this year. Look. Just to prove it, check me out, look. He only got one brake light on. But it's all good though. Feels good. Oh, got a truck. Cute business. It don't have the same pull. I think it's cause I need to get that air intake, man. I need to go on buy me a different intake for this, or I need to just buy me a replacement OEM because I'm losing power out of this. The little power when it does have the little pull, I'm losing it. But we're gonna go ahead and check out the oil level real quick, y'all. After that, don't worry, y'all. That's from the oil I had spilled when I added the oil. It's not leaking. The cap is on tight, you see. I spilled some oil down here too. No worries. But we're gonna check out this oil over here. Hold on. Real clean. Look at that. Hold on, y'all. Alright, so the only reason why I did this is because I'm not on a level surface, or I wasn't on a level surface when I did the oil change. So I went ahead and just came to a level surface. Check the oil level good. I'll show y'all right now. half of a quart. If that's even something that of a unit of measurement. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and drop this hood now, and we're gonna head back.
Even quiet. Ooh, boy, that AC cold, boy. Ice. Nah, but nah. We gonna
Let's show y'all. So you're gonna be at your home screen to reset your oil light. You do your own oil change. Just go here, hit settings, go down to vehicle, go down to maintenance info. See, my oil lock is already set at 100 because I just did the reset. But you just go down there, you hit select reset or select reset items, whatever. All due items, hit that. Would you like to reset maintenance information 100%? Yeah, whatever 100% be. Just hit reset. It's gonna take several minutes. I can do another reset on it, man, because I just reset it, so it's whatever. It's not gonna do nothing to it. Go back home.
and yep, I gotta put some more air in my tire. I mean, it's probably good. Yeah, we're gonna go back home.
Alright, gang, that is it, man. Like, y'all need to like, comment, and subscribe to your boy, man. Show me some love. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep on bringing y'all some bangers, bring y'all some whatever, some good laughs, just some good old-fashioned content, man. Like, well, not really old-fashioned, but you know, y'all know what I'm trying to get at. But stay up with your boy, man. Like, comment, subscribe. That's it. Peace.
It's just the bass. It is the bass. It is the bass.